Here we go. What's up, everyone? Right now, dropping off the Nissan GTR at the Nissan dealership because it's under a pending sale. So we have to take it for a PPI inspection. So give me one quick second. Let me get that all set up and guide him in the right direction. You guys can maybe see the GTR right back there. So Ish and I just dropped off the GTR. And one of the things that I want to talk to you guys about today is today I made a little bit over $1,500 profit. I didn't just want to talk about what led to my success. If you guys have 20 minutes, I'm going to leave it super simple, super short video. If you guys have an extra 20 or 30 minutes, you guys know about the Learn Plan Profit group. They get to see me trade live every single day. I want to give you access to what they experienced and what led to my success and actually seeing what happened in making my first $1,000 today. So I made $1,500, but within the Learn Plan Profit live stream, I made over $1,000 within the 30 minutes that I traded live with them. I don't want to talk about what I did. I want you just to see it. So the first link in the description, all it is the private unlisted video that the Learn Plan Profit group got to see live. So if you have 20, 30 minutes and you want to see exactly what I did and led to my success for a successful day trade that led to over $1,000 profit, click that first link down below. For all those that watch that video and for all those that are complete beginners, tomorrow, Wednesday at 7:45 a.m., I'm going to be hosting a free Q&A within techbuds Solutions. So all you have to do is once you watch that video and you write down at least one question, if you're a beginner, one question that you want to ask me that you have after watching that live stream, I want to answer it for you within the techbuds Solutions Facebook group. So I'm going to go live at 7:45 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. 7:45 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on Wednesday. So make sure that you set your reminders. Make sure that you tune on in. Make sure that you click the first link down below. You watch the live stream. The second link is going to be and to have access to our free Facebook group, which is the largest one out there. techbuds Solutions, over 216,000 members. That is it. I hope that earned your thumbs up. I really hope that you guys enjoy that video. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.